Cuz Brando, man. If you don't know, you about to know now. They said I never amount to nothing. Shit, look at me now. Didn't fuck with me then. Don't fuck with me now. Me and Bezel on that real shit. That black cloud stacking meal shit. Drake ain't filling my pockets. I can care less about that big meal shit. Hit a rush on for that ghost right. Crawl roll to my flow tight. Believe me, you ain't seen nothing yet. Just give me a second, get my dough right. She ain't the baddest chick. She let me fuck tonight. The moment I give you deep, baby girl, you might be stuck for life. We on cloud 9, let's take it up a notch. Stay paid, click, never run the block. First go Google, Jesse James Tour. Dan asked me if we talk to cops. We out AR-15s for the standing clips. 40 cal rubies for that minor shit. Got an entertainment lawyer and a lawyer from Texas and a criminal offense for my federal shit. Hit up Nacho for the Picasso, cause I know we got the player price. Jordy keep them guns around, but gifted gas and she love my eyes. Shout out to the Moore gang. It's not about gangs, I just bang beats. I just want the money, you keep the fame, cause we all don't came from the same street. Damn, who the fuck is this white kid? I don't know, but he's nice, kid. Flow so nice, man, that boy so tight. That white kid has gotta be light-skinned. You shouldn't have let me in, cause now that I'm here, I ain't going nowhere. Let the games begin. Let's get ready to rumble. If you ain't on my team, any boys in trouble. Believe me, you can get it, bitch. I don't pillow talk and I sure don't cuddle. I'm all about making it double. She'll hit the track like a running back, cause that's the one y'all I don't never fumble. These square ass bitches don't know how to act. I swear you don't woke up with dragons. Prepare for lyrical violence. The brokest one be the loudest one, so all my killers move in silence. Got my knowledge from a prison yard. You dudes ain't hard, that clown's a fraud. Don't let the Eddie Grand Prix shit fool you. I'm a Northside hard. Fuck that, oh my god, I'm gone.
Where the fuck you go? Oh well, I'm here. Let's get it! Hey, hey, Bezel on the track with Kush Brando. Knockout, bitch. Bezel, get him, boy. Boy, I picked a mic up and I spit a dirty flow. Like I picked a knife up and I'm about to murder those. Every mic I touch, it's like it's fucking turn to gold. I can fuck your bitch, but I am not concerned with hoes at all. All these local rappers fucking talking like they ball. They so egotistical, ain't doing shit at all. Tell them suck my testicles, and for the layman suck my balls. Hands up on their cheeks with open mouths cause they appalled. You ain't fucking with me cause I'm better than you. Spit on the beat, nothing better to do. Kush got a bitch from the Canada too. Pushing the whip and I vanish the roof. Open my mouth and I swear that the panties are poop. Be gone, homie, I spit it like I'm at the dentist. The tooth be gone, I'm losing y'all. I just chase my dreams until my dreams is a reality. Man, my dreams are fast, but they won't be outrunning me. Bitch, I do this shit, I'm getting down like underneath. I be iller than you, like you found a cure to some disease. I'm grabbing their neck and I put them to sleep. No 24, but I swear I'm a beast. Open the door and I walk to the beach. Feet in the sand and I'm talking to me. I ain't no rapper, I'm part of the beat. None of you rappers want part of this beef. I'm a disaster, don't start it with me. Telling them peace at the part that I leave.